Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is Helsing and Eurenco sign agreement to develop sovereign European warheads for HX2 AI-defined strike drone. Helsing and Eurenco have signed a memorandum of understanding to deliver sovereign European warheads for HX2, Helsing's AI-defined strike drone. The company said the capability is designed for European armed forces and will be built to meet French operational requirements in the first instance. Helsing described itself as a leading European defense technology company, while Eurenco was described as the European leader in energetic materials. The partnership is intended to address the need for coordinated European rearmament and reduce the risks of incompatible systems, duplicated supply chains, and platforms that cannot operate together. Helsing brings the AI-defined strike drone platform to the partnership. The company said HX2 is swarm-compatible, highly scalable, and capable of operating day and night in both GNSS-denied and communications-denied environments. Eurenco brings a complete high-performance, modular, explosive warhead to the program. Helsing said the warhead is easy to operate and specifically adapted to the drone mission. The company said global supply chains for propellants and explosives are under severe strain. Lead times of 12 to 24 months are now described as the norm, making access to sovereign energetic materials a strategic requirement. Helsing said the Eurenco partnership is part of its effort to build resilient warhead supply chains across Europe. The company said this is intended to reduce dependence on non-European suppliers across multiple markets and operational contexts. The result is intended to be a proven and scalable strike system that European armed forces can procure, operate, and sustain. Helsing described the capability as built in Europe for Europe. Helsing said its existing partnership with Instalaza remains in place. The company did not provide further details on that arrangement in the announcement. Armed forces cannot depend on platforms whose supply chains they do not control, Frank Dirksen, Chief Commercial Officer, Helsing, said. With Eurenco, we are giving French customers a strike capability they can procure, sustain, and scale without relying on suppliers outside Europe. That is what sovereign capability truly means in practice. Do you like this video? Please subscribe, share, like, and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel. And for searching my YouTube channel, please write at the rate Electronics Technology 50.